today's episode is going to be a really awesome one because it is fairing day.
Yep, that's right, guys. We got our new fairing kit in the mail today, finally. This has been about a month, a little over a month and a half wait. I am obviously covering up my personal information, but we have our full fairing kit in there. It is basically a new bike in a box.
Time, don't be held back again. You need to resist your own limits. This fire is burning. You need to embrace all that you are. Stare fear in the face to reach for the stars. Been waiting for this moment, so let it begin. You're unbreakable, feeling powerful. Nothing's getting in the way. You're unbreakable. You're invincible. Be unbreakable again. Unbreakable. Unbreakable. Make your name. Let go of yesterday. If dreams can exist in a world like this, don't abandon them. You need to embrace all that you are. Stare fear in the face to reach for the stars. Been waiting for this moment, so let it begin. You're unbreakable, feeling powerful. Nothing's getting in the way. You're unbreakable. You're invincible. Be unbreakable again. You need to embrace all that you are. Stare fear in the face to reach for the stars.
So before I can put this panel on, I do have to put the turn signals in. I did get some that were actually a little bit too small, but I don't really want a big turn signal, which is okay. And we did have to get these little adapter plates to fit in here because literally the turn signal will just go right through there, as you can see. So obviously this was too small. It will fit a 2003 R1 perfectly, or 2002 and up to like at least 2014 or something like that, no problem. But the 98 to 01s does have a bigger hole in the plastics. So if you got these, I'll leave a link in the description for these ones if you want to get them. These are a light smoke, or a smoke, and they light up pretty good, you know, for what they are. They were dirt cheap, very cheap. And you have to get these adapter plates as well, which I'll leave a link for this as well. So you'll have the link for these first, and then you'll have the link for these, which is needed to make it work with those. So, all right, let me throw these on. And something to note about these is that you will have to ream out the hole just a tiny bit because it's like right there and it's super close, but you just need to use like a little rat tail file like I'm going to use right now. And it's super, like it just literally took me like maybe 10 seconds tops to get it where I needed it to be. So the hole is basically right there. Really, really easy to do. And then you'll have it all set. All right, so let me go ream out these holes just a tiny bit, and then we'll put that on along with the fairing. All right, guys, so this is starting to look really good on the bike. Before we could start to put some of the lower cowls on, we do need to replace the stator cover because it looks like shit, number one, and number two, it is leaking. So I'll show you what we got. We got this stator cover right here. This thing looks really good. And obviously there'll be a link in the description if you want to get one of these. It is USA stock, so super cheap and great quality. So, all right, let's go rip off this old one and then we'll put the new one on there. The torque specs for the bolts, these are 12 Newton meters. So here is the old cover. You can see there's no 4X V mark in the middle. Whatever, just this was just a junk one that was on there. And shabam, mint. It's almost like when you get a new fairing kit, it makes the bike look like brand new. All right, stator cover is on and that is looking really good now. Fairings are looking beautiful as well. I think that's going to call it for today's video, guys, because we are waiting on another part for the other side of the bike, so we can't put the lower cowl on just yet. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we have those other parts coming, obviously. Can't wait to show you guys it. It should look pretty nice on here. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.